What's good, Thailand? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. We've been partying all night, bro. Me and Renella cooked. We currently just missed our flight to Koh Samui, so we're over here waiting for the cab back to the Airbnb, but hopefully we make the next one. Dude, we spent like $1,700 in a fucking club yesterday, just popping bottles doing
USD not bot, bro.
USD, bro.
Jeez, bro. We just bottle after bottle after bottle after bottle, bro.
Y'all gonna see the little collage, but anyway, that's the update. I'm gonna start this vlog right here. It's gonna be a crazy episode, so make sure you watch the full thing. Like, subscribe, all that shit. But I'll see y'all in the fucking whatever comes next, bro. Yo, we back at the airport, bro. We got some crazy shit coming, bro. This episode's gonna be wild as fuck, bro. How you feeling right now? We had a long night, bro.
Man, I'm not gonna lie. I'm hungry as shit, but we on the way to Koh Samui right now. We finna go get lit even more. Go lock in, all that good shit, man. That boy stay tuned, man.
Here's an update on the Rev, bro. As y'all can see, we're actually still cooked. I hired a whole new team for everything, so converting creatives that can actually scale on a high budget, and we're gonna be good, bro. In this game of e-com, it's all about solving problems. If you can solve a problem, you're gonna make it to the next step, bro. You need to drop a health product that's gonna make somebody's New Year's resolution easier, bro. Sell people a shortcut right now, because that's when you can make the most money. Currently on a plane right now. This dude Renell picks a spot right next to me, bro.
You said I picked the spot here?
Yeah.
Bro, he wants to be next to me so bad. He picked the spot.
And he's feeding for some drinks, bro.
I'm not feeding, bro. This guy asked some an old lady to switch his seat just so he can sit here.
Currently inside of the boat right now. We missed our flight. We were supposed to be here 4 or 5 hours ago, and we just got here, but now we're gonna go get some food. My phone's dying, my laptop's dead, I can't work, and we have a 2-hour drive, 2-ish hour drive. So we got the boat driver. Hey. So yeah, that's the update. But we're just in like some random part of Thailand, bro. We're not in Bangkok, we're not in Phuket. We just had some KFC. We ate, first time eating since yesterday morning. And coming to the Uber. Yeah, slight updates. All right, so we're now currently at like some random place in Thailand. I'm not even sure where we're at, but we just got these little cabin rooms for the night because we missed our Terry. So have to wait for the morning. We have this one room, and then we have this other room that connects also. It's pretty good, pretty cool. And now we have the bathroom. All right, as y'all can see, I literally just bought a fucking yacht, me and my boys, and we did it all off of dropshipping. Now, if you really think I don't do this shit, a brokey can't buy a yacht. I do this all from the muscle from dropshipping, and if you want to do the same thing and buy yourself a yacht, go ahead and click the first link in the description, and I'm not making this up, I'm the real fucking deal, so you heard it here first. I have no clue what's going on. We're now in the back of a random truck going to what I hope is the Airbnb. Alright, so here go the crib tour. We just got the Koh Samui and big ass crib. We got the pool right there. But yeah, I ain't even gonna yap y'all ear off. I'ma just show around. My boy got straight to it, locked in, bro. Shit, I need to do the same. You got a pool in it, bitch. Lock in camera. We got this. Stairs. Oh shit. Upstairs. First bedroom, this where I'm gonna be at. Then we come over here. Got the fucking downstairs area. Then we got Jason's room that he chose. I'm not even gonna show the bathrooms and all that other shit, but yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, should I jump in the pool right now? What? Spam up W's in the comments right now, and I'll jump in the pool.
Right now.
You think they spam?
Nah.
You don't think they spam?
No way.
Yeah, you think they spam?
No way he does this, bro.
I'm not trying to do it and they didn't spam.
No way he does this, bro. I ain't spam, bro. Yeah, I ain't spam. Bro, I've been grubbing. I can't even lie. Holy shit. Shit's good though. I'm tired of eating all that ramen and shit. Some real American food for real. Jason's trying to cop him a bike, bro. We got Ronald vlogging. We got, oh my gosh. I only know how to ride moped, bro. And you already know what's happening, bro. We at the crib. We here, boy. Nobody took a dip yet, but.
We're gonna take a dip right now, but I'm gonna go full clothes. Watch.
We got a motorbike. We got all that shit, bro.
Full clothes.
Just made some content.
Rock. I just wanna.
Hey, you was killing it in my vlog, though.
Bro, I wasn't even hitting that. Hey, now you first, JJ.
I don't know how to rock. I ain't gonna lie.
You know how to rock, bro. No, you know how to rock, bro. Nigga talking about he don't know how to rock. Come on.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another vlog. So I'm gonna be showing y'all this fucking villa, man. Off of dropshipping, nigga. We really do this shit. Alright, so first we got the kitchen. Pan that bitch over there, bro. Pan that bitch.
Yeah.
Alright, next thing.
Calm
Biggest
shit.
wow factor, bro.
Motherfucking pool, nigga.
Pool in the crib, bro. We slide over here. We got bedroom one. Ain't need too much. Ain't need too much.
Calm shit.
We got Jason, bro. Nigga trading and making money.
Yeah. What is this nigga eating? What the fuck, cut?
Money on his mind, all the time. Tomorrow you'll be famous. Blow me up, like, subscribe, hit that share button. If your friends don't know, always make sure they know. Cause we really doing this, bro. We drop shipping, bro. I'm finna show y'all the results later. But we got bedroom number 2. Alright, bro, just look at the aesthetic though. The lighting, the LEDs, bro, the pictures. Like, don't tell me, bro, you would not want to be here. We got bedroom number 3. Some cool shit, bro. Some cool shit. We got LEDs. As y'all can tell, we love LEDs, bro.
Type shit.
And then we got this down, looking all down on shit. We look down on them niggas that hated on us. So we really do this shit. And but I ain't even gonna yak y'all ears off. Whatever we get into, I'm gonna try and provide more value in this vlog. Cause last vlog was kind of like brain rot. So it's gonna be brain rot and some dropshipping shit, right? You feel me? But hey, stay tuned. Chat for Jason, bro. Sheesh, bro. He went out like a warrior though. On a bike. Alright, y'all boys, I'm so tired. We ended up just riding motorbikes around the city, or not even the city, the island. Got some 7-Eleven snacks, all that other, but I'm gonna wake up, kill some more work, and then we'll see what we get into. Hopefully we hit the beach or some shit like that, but yeah, bro, I'm mad tired, bro. Alright, quick yap session about ads. So right now, we're testing out a new product for the main brand, right? So we have our main product that's doing decently okay, but it is falling off a little bit with the type of creatives that we were doing. So while the team is figuring out better creatives to make people engage with the product more, we also launched another product just to boost the revenue back up and get us to those 10 to 15K days, right? So we're running both of those products. We're finding winning creatives for both of those products, and we're dialing down on this one angle that seems to be doing best for us. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that. So we're at 1.1K for the day, low conversion rate. Anyway, that's just a little update. We finna grab something to eat. Y'all see that scenery though? Imagine you're just walking and see a Komodo dragon. Fire, but we finna get us something to eat. Find us a winning burger. Might get some KFC or some pizza, something slight, bro. You feel me? But yeah, that's just an update. Finna get back to work, lock in, and then we see what we get into later. It's my boy Jason's birthday, bro. That boy right now.
Hey, my rip.
We haven't hit the gym, bro, in 2 days. Bro, we've been here since yesterday morning. You yesterday night, and we haven't gotten a pool not once. Bro was so hype about this pool, but he just wants to sleep.
Bro, go in the fucking pool then, bro.
Go in.
Dude, I showered.
You're black, bro. Cause I got something big coming for y'all boys, bro. I'm doing this all for y'all. All this content's for y'all. All the sauce I'm finna give is for y'all. I can't even show the laptop screen because I can't leak too much. Just be ready for what's gonna drop, and it will be ready by the time you're watching this video. So go ahead, click that first link in the description and join the life of freedom.
Hey, homie, what you want? Hey, open the door. I think it's safe. He's getting up. He's just not getting up. What the fuck, nigga?
Boy, I slept late as fuck last night.
Like what time?
What, like 6, 7?
You was fucking a bitch in here last night?
Hell no.
Bro, one of y'all niggas was fucking a bitch in here last night.
No, bro.
Dude, I woke up, that shit woke me up 4 a.m. All I hear
What?
is doom, doom.
Oh, it's this thing.
What?
It's like making noise or something.
Really? But I heard fucking moaning.
Boy.
Your mind was telling you that because you thought it was fucking.
It's calling to you. Pussy's calling to you.
It's your birthday. You tell us, bro.
Hey, we going out tonight, bro.
Right.
Your birthday, cut.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. We trying to hit the beach. But
Let's do it.
Birthday scar. Let's see it. Alright, y'all boys. I just got done crushed like 2 hours of work, bro. Launched me a new store. This nigga over here cheesing.
you know why I'm cheesing? Because he's lying. He ain't got no film proof. He can't show y'all he was working. This nigga was sleepy.
No, he's lying right. Yo, bro. So anyway, now I just got this work. Remember in the last vlog, I don't know if I was vlogging. Me and Renell said we gonna be launching 2 products and we gonna see who does better. And it's probably gonna be me because I'm the fucking GOAT. But anyway, we gonna see how that goes, bro.
We just launched our shit today.
Bro, you was just on Tinder, bro.
Today, I was not on Tinder. Stop
Let's see.
it. We just launched it today, within the first couple of hours.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Bro's cooking, bro. We got some dogs in the street. Dude, dogs just be mad homeless here. It's kind of cool, though. Currently watching the vlog, eating. We got the boys with some food. And we're on, like, some random beach island still. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm killing my food, but I'm still high-key hungry. Apparently, you're not supposed to eat with your hands in Asia, bro. But I be feeling my shit with my hands. I got a plan. You talk about shots, right? I'm not even trying to drink, bro. I'm on some chill shit. How about this? Whoever stops drinking first has to pay for all the food.
So we're just gonna keep getting shots?
Keep getting shots. You don't want to be the last.
Are you sure you want to do this?
No. Bro, why is he so... So, quick little update. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely so stressed. I fucking woke up. I was wondering why I wasn't getting sales for a little bit, and my ad account got clipped, bro. And this is the new product I was running. I'm just trying to get that back right now. We had like $11 CPA, 6 sales, and only 70 spent. So it would have been a really good scale day. And I don't know why I got clipped. All of these ads are 100% clean and compliant. So we should be getting an ad account back, and we'll just get back to scaling. The new product actually did end up getting a sale as well. We have that cooking up. Let me just show y'all without leaking the store too much. As we can see, we had 149 sessions first day, 1 sale, $61, and a 0.6 conversion rate. So I'm probably gonna optimize the store. We did have some pricing issues, so just fix all those gaps up, and then we should be good to go and scale this bitch up too, hopefully, bro. Running multiple stores like my G's, bro. All right, taking over the vlog right now for Renell's vlog, double vlog. This dude is stuck inside of the bathroom, bro. I can't make this up. He can't get out. Bro's cooked. Bro, and Jason won't get up. Hold on, let me call. Sheesh. W. Jason, bro, came to fucking knock the door down. I'm not gonna lie, I just returned my bike, man. I'm missing it already. I'm missing it, man. My God may be in a bit of a hassle. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit, they asking for another 5K on top of the 10 bands. So cooked. But yeah, hopefully, I think we're about to go hit the beach or something like that. I have so much more content I have to record and shit, so I'm gonna probably knock that out. But other than that, should be pretty smooth. I'm trying to get the fast jet skis. Bro just lost the rock, paper, scissors. He loses everyone. We got Jason. Jason getting
Hey, I won at the crib in Bangkok too.
Bro, it's the Asian luck, bro. No cap. Get my life vest on. Cop on cop. Bro, how did we end up here? I'm in my Balenciaga shorts, jet skiing, and Koi Samu. Thank you.
Have a Merry Christmas and be safe out there. Huh?
So we just got done jet skiing. I'm gonna drop some clips here from my phone. Bro, it was absolutely crazy. Man, that's just so fun, but just peep the view, bro. This is what e-commerce can get you, man. Like, I don't make this up. Renell does e-com, Jason does e-com. Like, we do everything off of e-com, bro. We're not playing. If you're not doing e-com in 2025, bro, you're missing out, bro. Fresh start, bro. So if y'all really want the life of freedom, no guru-ish, we really do this. We have results, 100K months, 70K months, multiple times, multiple stores. Go ahead and click the first link in the bio, text my team portal, and we're gonna make sure you're fit for the program and get you out here with me, Renell, and Jason to live this life. I really do want to take this moment to tell y'all that I've been working with something huge for the past 6 months. Me and my team have been building something incredible for all of you guys, because what fun is it to be on the uprise or at the top, whatever you want to call it, without others around you who are doing the same thing. And that's where you guys come in. What I'm doing is I'm dropping a community where we're gonna be hosting an 8-week boot camp, and we're gonna be taking you, building your store, picking your products, and we're gonna be launching ads, reading analytics to make you profitable. And by the end of the boot camp, you will be running one successful dropshipping store that will fund your life. And honestly, we're not letting any of you guys go without a profitable store. Everybody makes it in my community. Everybody will make it in the boot camp. And I'm no smarter than any one of y'all. Like, honestly, I'm a dumb kid, dropped out of college first semester. So that says enough about me. That means you can definitely do it times 3, even faster. So I'm here to help you guys not make the mistakes that I made. If that's something you're interested in, make sure y'all click the first link in the description, or simply text my Instagram portal and we'll get back to you and get you this money. Anyway, bro, we just got to the restaurant. I'm ready to eat. I'm so hungry, man. My phone's finna die, my camera's finna die, so probably not gonna vlog too much, but look at the physique, bro. We putting out work and hungry. The abs popping. Bro, I need to go back to the gym, bro. I'm ready to just get back on schedule and lock. But this shit looks hella good. I'm probably gonna get something like this. They got lobster barbecue and shit.
Oh shit!
Welcome to the real world. Hey, listen, man. Y'all wanna live a life just like this? Have freedom, have a pool inside of your crib? Click the first link in the description, boy. We gonna get y'all right, man.